Hello and welcome back to the Onshape. Today, let's just start out to talk about the revolve feature inside the Onshape, which is this one. We have done work on the extrude in the previous lecture, so you can go and have a look on that. I'll just create Part Studio by just clicking on here, and right now I'm in new Part Studio. Before going to revolve, I must probably go for the revolve section to make first by go into sketch mode and choose this top plane and press N in your keyboard to make the view normal view. I'll just start from the line and I'll just start from the origin. Go upward as the horizontal icon showing you is you're going vertical, and I'll click OK. Right, I'll just come downward to create a slot like this, and now what I can do, I can just go like this, and now I'll come on here and I'll just make a section like this, and I'll just finally close the sketch. If you want, you can go for the dimension sections and dimensions each in every section, like just by proper dimensions. But for now, I think this section will be better for me. I don't want to dimension it because I just need the revolve section, and I'll go for the revolve. Once you click on the revolve, here you will see I'm adding a new body, and face or sketch regions to revolve. I'll select this sketch because I want to revolve this section. You can just rotate your object by press the right click and revolve axis. I want to revolve this section by just about this axis. Right. Let me make sure that if, for example, I just cancel this out and I select this one, then you will see the revolve just gets a bit different, right? But for this time, I think this section will be better for me to be revolve. Or if you want, you can go and select this axis of revolution. You can just create a full preview and I will hit OK, right? So you can keep it in isometric and revolve this one. So hope you got something really important from this. So hope for the best and see you in next tutorial.